Okay, let's go ahead and work this one out. So the first thing you want to do is distribute the minus right there. So that's going to give us 4 minus x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 3 minus 2x. And then the next thing we'd want to do is combine like terms on the left side. So you have a 4 and a minus 1. You can consolidate that to a 3. Then we have minus x is greater than or equal to 3 minus 2x. And then once we get it down to this, we want to isolate the x to a single side. And so I'm going to go ahead and add 2x to both sides. Okay. And so on the left side, I still have the 3, but now I had a minus 1x, but I add 2 to it. So negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1. So this turns into plus 1x, or you can just put an x. The 1's understood in front right there. Then let's see, on the right side, that will nullify the minus 2x. And so you're left with the 3 here. And then we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. And that will end up with x is greater than or equal to 0. Interesting. So our solution set, and it says use interval notation. So what I like to do is I'll draw my picture first, and then that'll help me with my interval. So zero's right here, and so this statement saying x has to be larger than or equal to 0. So numbers that are larger than or equal to 0 would be like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now, it also can be equal to 0, so that means we bracket that in and we shade into that direction right there to infinity. And so the interval notation would be from 0 to infinity, and then we always use parentheses for that. And then after you put that answer in, they're probably going to ask you for the graph, and you'll already have it right here. So that's kind of the way I like to do it, is once I solve it, I try to get the number line picture and then do my interval notation. Just makes it a little bit easier. All right, so I hope that helps. If you got some more of them, feel free to send them.